Hello students, welcome back to the another session of accountancy class. In the last class we are discussing about the topic some terminologies or terms used in income and expenditure account. Today also we are continuing the same topic, that is the remaining terms or terminologies used in the income and expenditure account. So the first or the next terminology is consumable items. What do you mean by consumable item? Many times a non-profit organization or non-seeking organization, some non-profit organization or non-seeking organization consume some consumable items. For example, stationery, cost of material, medicine, etc. In such cases, it is the amount consumed should be debited to income and expenditure account. These are the items which daily use may be periodically used. Take like a hospital, there will be medicine used for daily basis, or like a sports club, the sports materials like cricket balls and footballs, office stationery, and these are the items daily purchased or consumed. We have opening stock and we have closing stock, and the amount which is consumed should be debited to the income and expenditure account as an expense. Are you understand? We put some practical illustration and look at how do we calculate. So let's take the practical illustration of consumable items. So here is the practical illustration or example of consumable items. Calculate the amount of pricing and the amount of printing and stationery to be debited to income and expenditure account from the following information. And receipts and payment account is, so a receipts and payment account is given to you. On the payment side, you can see the printing and stationery. This amount, printing and stationery amount is 890. In the adjustment or additional information, the stock of machinery is 125, or the opening stock of machinery is 125 and closing stock of machinery is 87. This is the additional information or adjustment part. Then out of these information, we need to calculate the amount of printing and stationery consumed. Now we put it in the statement form and the calculation is simple. So this is the statement that we need to remember. Opening stock, add purchase, less closing stock, and the answer is the consumed, or you will get an answer that is the amount showing consumable items. Now the statement says opening, add purchase, less closing is equal to consumed. Remember this part, it is a simple thing. You know, opening we started with X amount, and purchase and add purchase and less closing is equal to consumed. So let's start with the posting things. The opening stock of stationery is given to you can we see in this amount? 125. The opening stock of stationery is 125. And the purchase will be taken from receipts and payment account. That means, or the purchase can be taken from receipts and payment account on the payment side. We made payment, that means we have purchased stationery for 890 rupees. So the total now goes to 125 plus 890. So the answer is 1015. The next step is less the closing balance. And how much is the closing balance? The closing stock is rupees 87. That is given in the adjustment part. So 125 plus 890 minus 87. Can you see that? So the amount of stationery consumed is 928. So the amount of stationery consumed is 928. That is the opening stock plus add purchase less closing stock. So here the opening stock is 125 and the purchase that can be taken from receipts and payment account in the payment side, it is 890. So the total is 1015 and have to be less the closing stock. The closing stock is 87. So you will get the answer is consumed is 928. Clear? How shall we post everything that is written over here? That is opening stock to the opening balance. That is the opening stock to the opening balance sheet on the asset side. Then purchase is taken from receipts and payment account in the payment side, and the closing stock goes to the closing balance sheet as an asset side. And the final amount, what is the final amount? 928. The final amount consumed, that is 928, will be debited to income and expenditure account. Have you clear? To remember the formula again, so you have to remember the formula again. I highlight the formula: opening stock or opening balances plus or add purchase and less the closing is equal to the amount consumed. So this is the equation, or this is the formula for calculating consumable items or the final consumed. This opening stock, add purchase less closing stock, then you will get the amount that is consumed. So the next term or next terminology or the next and the final word in the terminology is honorarium. The too much of words we are studying. We are started by subscription, entrance fee, consumable items, donations, government aids, and so many words. Take the last one. The last one is honorarium. The honorarium is the token payment made to a person who has voluntarily undertaken the services which would normally command fees. That's an expression of gratitude rather than a payment for a work done. So the not-for-profit organization people do work for non-profit organization as a voluntarily work, not as a job. They don't demand payment. They might do something which benefit to the society. For example, we have a not-for-profit organization which is an educational institution, and we have some professors coming and teaching there. and normal circumstances, when they go to another institution, they may charge fees. But for a not-for-profit organization, they don't. When not-for-profit organization makes a token of payment or token payment to such people, it is known as honorarium. So the word itself, honorarium. So the word honorarium means you have to pay a token payment. We honor them by giving a token of payment. Honorarium, that is honoring them, and hence I told you it is an expression of gratitude or thanks to coming our institution for providing your services or providing the esteemed services. And it is not a payment. There is a big difference between the word salary and honorarium. Both of them are expenses. Should be debited to income and expenditure account. In receipts and payment, we shall find it on payment side, and it should be posted to the income and expenditure account on the debit side as a revenue expenditure, that is honorarium. So these are the remaining two terminologies used in the preparation of income and expenditure account. One is consumable item and honorarium. The treatment or accounting treatment of consumable items we have to do with some illustration. And the next one is honorarium. Honorarium is the token of payment given to the persons related with an institution. So this is about today's class. Thank you for watching this video.